Want to remove the background of your image? Here's how you can easily do it in Befunky. First, open the image you want to edit in the Befunky editor. From the left toolbar, select the Remove Background tool under the Cutout section. Remember, this tool is only available for the premium users. Befunky will automatically detect the subject of your image and erase the background for you. You can manually adjust the areas to be removed or added using the brush tools. After making any final adjustment, hit apply to finalize the changes. This tool works great for isolating subjects for marketing materials or creating clean, professional-looking images. Have you ever tried removing a background from an image before? Let me know your experience. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.